Paul Newman's Rolex Daytona -$17.08 million. The legendary Paul Newman's Rolex Daytona achieved iconic status after selling for $17.8 million, becoming the most expensive Rolex ever. Its distinctive exotic dial and cultural legacy make it one of the most expensive wristwatch in the world 2024, with strong appeal among collectors of most expensive watch brands in the world. Often listed under the most costly watch in the world, this Rolex is more than just a fashion statement. It's a timekeeping legend. It's the answer to who owns the most expensive watch in the world 2024 in the Rolex category.